We are about to start our class. As usual, it happens on every Saturday, and this is a good thing that today it is a good thing that almost all the students are here. And please switch on your cameras so that I can look at your faces. Very good. This is online class, online live class. Okay, so we have three batches here because on every Saturday we have all the batches together. So maybe it is possible that many or some of the students are not here, but it seems to me that almost all students are here. So now some of you are able to speak on a given topic because now your mind has been trained. A system of changing the thoughts in this very popular language that is called English has been developed in your mind. So this is a great thing for me as well as for you, and I'm very happy. But among you, we have some newest students, like the old students who once the old students were also new. And this is the process of this center, this institution that we call even our new students, the newest students to this class, so that they can have a have an observance that how is it possible for anyone to speak into this language. So that is why I call all here, so that they can be in touch with the environment, so that they can get a motivation, thinking that if these students are speaking on a given topic, or if these are able to communicate into this language, so our new students can also be motivated. And the process is the same. I have B11, that is the oldest in all the three batches, and it has been going on for more than 3 years. And then we have B18, and it is moving towards its 5 months completion. And then we have, and actually the B18 batch is both for B18 and B19, but because there were very few students in B19 batch, so I merged that batch into B18. But I am happy that they are also doing very well. They means the students of B19. So this is a great thing, at least for me. So okay, as I always say on Saturdays, that for new students there is no compulsion of speaking, but if they like, they can. If they like, they can speak on some other topic which they think that they can speak upon. But for the students of B11 and for the students of B18 and 19, it is compulsory to speak on the topic that would be given to you in a short while. So I think you all are ready for it. So get ready for today's class. And today's topic is very important. And you can all speak much about that topic. And we know very well that today you have to speak about a thing that is very necessary, without which even we can't move a single step. It is said that money is not God, but not less than God. And we should always try to earn money by our sincere efforts, by our honest efforts, without any corruption. With our hard work, if we earn money, that becomes too much useful for us. And you know very well that without money, you can do nothing. Nothing. People say that this is not God. Yes, right? This is not God. Money is not God. But it is not less than God. In today's time. So, my dear ones, I think now you have understood what is the topic of today.
जी सर.
And for among the new students, one is my very old student. I think the oldest student of among all the students who are here, and that is Priya. And Priya cannot be exempted in any condition from speaking to any topic. So get ready for it. I come back to you in a short while. By then, get ready for it. So let us start our class. And I think, oh, there are so many names in the message box. Students are always ready. These students have become the soldiers. They are acting just like soldiers. Whenever they are called, they are called. They are ready. Our first name is Gaurav. आए भाई कहाँ है तू दिख नहीं रहा वेयर इज गौरव बैठा है ओके 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 दिख गया मेरे को सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम कॉलिंग गौरव फ्रॉम B20 यस आजा बेटा आजा बहुत आगे जाएगा जिंदगी में आजा यस स्पीक गौरव योर कनेक्टिविटी इज नॉट प्रॉपर योर वॉइस इज नॉट कमिंग वी आर इट इज नॉट
Sir,
ऑडिबल
topic.
यस नाउ यस कम ऑन कैरी ऑन
Sir, topic.
मनी बिना टॉपिक के नाम लिख दिया बाकी सबको समझ में आ गया ना भाई टॉपिक तो
यस सर.
चल बाद में अब
Yes,
सोचना
sir.
टॉपिक के बारे में फिर सोचना बाद में इसीलिए कहते हैं जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी चाहिए यस कम ऑन रोहित
Yes sir. Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Mr. and today I am going to tell you about money. As you all know that money is the most important thing in this world. No one without money, no one can live a better life or can't have anything good in this world. Like if there is a person who don't have money, like the beggars who are roaming here and there in the streets or the footpaths, sleep in the footpath and eat everything they find in the food park. And as we all know that money gives you everything like education, health, and the shelter to live. And if these things you have, a person can become a person can become hero from zero. And as we know that many people say that I want money like Ambani, Adani, and Elon Musk. These the people approach is very high, but I want to say to those people that to control or to manage that much money is so easy. If we get money in like in lotteries or in these types of schemes, we if we will get money, this we will not with the money will not be with be with us with lifetime. It will will get spent. And as we all know that the money which we earn from our honesty, uh, सर वो अंजलि दीदी है, कौन है इनका माइक ऑन है?
बेटा वो माइक बंद करना बेटा, किसका माइक चालू है बेटा? बोल तो बोल, हो जाएगा, बोल।
Yes, sir. As we all know that many people earn money in wrong ways. Like nowadays, cybercrime is increasing, and people started grabbing money from the internet. And as you the people is like if you find the like if you are traveling in the night, the thieves will come and show you the QR code and say you to scan the QR code and give money them by online. And these types of thieves have developed nowadays. By money a person can do anything. Like if you have money, you can purchase anything which will help you in your future. As you all know that in a village, money is very important for the farmers, as farmers need money to for the production of their agriculture. And as you know that money is the most important thing, but it is not up to the family or up to the god. If you believe in god, or if you are with your relatives, then you will earn a lot money. And if you will follow the instructions of your parents, the money will a lot of money will be there in your pocket. That's it, sir.
Very good, nice flow. It is all because of his self writing work. Make it clear. Am I right, Rohit?
Yes, sir, you are right.
यस, सेल्फ राइटिंग जितना करते जाओगे उतना आप यही फ्लो आएगा आप लोगों का भी। चिंता मत करो आप, बस मेहनत में कमी मत आने देना कभी भी। यस, कम ऑन हर्ष।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsh Yadav, and today my topic is money. As we know that we all are human beings, and we all want is the major things like food, water, shelter, etc. And in this age, we can get these things only by money, as money is the thing which is needed by all the persons in the world. Without money, no a person can earn happiness, but not maintain that happiness. As to maintain that as the relations have become with the help of money in nowadays. If you have no money, then you will have no relationship, as all the persons want money to their basic needs. In many ways, money helps us a lot. Like money helps us to become a successful person by providing us good health, education, and many more things. To get energy, we want food that we will get from money. And the most basic need is water, that provides us many minerals and that are needed by our body. And water nowadays, water has also become very costly. Like one bottle of water is of 20 rupees. So nothing is possible in this world without money. Without money, a person is nothing. We can, but with many advantages. If we keep them aside, then there are also many disadvantages of money. Like money can provide you a source of happiness, but not happiness that you want.
Very good, nice, very nice, shabash.
Money will provide you a relationship, but not a relationship on which you can make your full trust.
Can have, okay, bolo, tum bolo.
On which you can have full trust. By money make all the person needy and hungry not by food, but by but they have hungriness of money, that they should have more money to become a successful person. Now the youth is thinking that if you have money, then only you will be respected. But in many ways, this is true. As without money, we are nothing. If you can try this by, if you are a student, then you go to first day you go to on foot,
Hmm.
then people will think that you have no money and they will not give you respect.
Hmm.
But if on second day you will go by any mean of transport, then they will provide you respect as you will be beneficent for them.
Hmm.
So mm, I think that we have money, but we should know how to manage the money, and we should not become greedy for money, and we should not have hungriness about the money. That's it.
Very good. Nice speaking. Very good. Shabash, beta. Yes, now Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya, and today I am telling about money. As you all know, that money is very important in today's world. For almost for many people for many people in this world, money is as important as his or her soul. Man, in today's world, everyone wants that he or she should have money so that he or she should live a comfortable life, because we know that in today's world anything is not free. If you want to if you get want if you take anything, you have to pay for it. And in today's world, money is very important. Even for your necessary things, money is very important. Like if you want to take shelter, food, water, education, you have money. And if you do not have money, then you can't get these things. And money and in today's world, everyone wants money, but everyone should earn money in a right way. And the key to earn money in a right way the is hard work. You can uh, you can you can get money by hard work. And as you all know that as the population is increasing, the as the population and technology increasing, the rate of crimes like cyber crimes also increasing, because and in these crimes many people's bank accounts are get hacked.
Hmm.
And these are done by criminals, and these are all done for the money. So we by this we can say that money also takes many problems with it. And money is not everything in this life. You can buy almost everything in this life, but there are some things that cannot be bought by money, like relationships and time, etc. And if a person have a lot of money, then he or she should have the feeling to help others, because the feeling of happiness,
Very good.
the feeling of helping is gives you happiness. And if and everyone should earn money in the right way, because a little money a little money of honesty is gives you more happiness than a lot of money of dishonesty. So that's it.
Very good, beta. Shabash, beta. वेरी गुड बेटा. थोड़ा सा वर्ब पे फोकस करना है बेटा, है ना? ये बात तो सभी के
Okay,
लिए
sir.
है. सबसे ज्यादा फोकस किया करो आप वर्ब के ऊपर. बाकी तो सब बढ़िया है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है बेटा. ओके बेटा. यस, कम ऑन अर्शित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Moore, and I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is money. As we all know very well that money is very important for our day-to-day life. It is very important for our life to, and it is important for us to survive in this world, because as you can see that nothing is free in this world. You have to pay even for the water, and money is very important in this generation to do anything. Without money you can't take education, you can't take shelter or food, and every requirement of our life gets fulfilled only by money, and money can be earned only by hard work. And in the past we could say that money can't buy anything, matlab money can't buy happiness. But in this time, we may say that when money may buy everything, despite of time and relationships. And nowadays, many things are being done by many people to earn money, so that they may be able to live in this world. And as you can see that if you have money, you have respect, and without money, you are not respected. Like if you are a big businessman and you have enough money uh, to get you have a little money. Whoa, sorry sir, you have a lot of money, then you will be respected too much. And you, if you don't have money, then you will not be respected. And nowadays you can see that money is not less than crimes also, because it increases the crimes. As we can see nowadays, the crimes that are taking place are because of money, because the criminals wants only money, because they don't want to work hard, and money is required by everyone, so that do crimes also. And there are two types of money, that those are known as white money and black money. And the money of honesty is more than the money that we earn by doing uh, bad works. And a money we should have enough money uh, to live our life. We should not if we have enough money, then sorry sir, if we have a lot of money, then we don't have enough time to do anything. And if we have enough money to make ourselves survive the life, then we may do many activities in our life, and we may spend our time with our family. And nowadays you can see that without money, there is nothing in this world. So we must do hard work to earn money. That's it, sir.
Very good. Oldest student, मतलब from B11, 18, 19 and 20. Oh, but nice performance. Shabash beta. Keep it up. It has been 3 years for him here in class. And this is all because of self-writing work. Motivate yourself. क्लियर समझ लीजिए आप, यही चाबी है बस। सेल्फ राइटिंग वर्क करते जाओगे, यही इसी स्टेज पर पहुंचोगे आप। मेक इट क्लियर। इसीलिए मैं बुलाता हूँ, आप देखो जरा, सब कुछ वही है, नथिंग इज फेक, सब कुछ जैसा है वैसा ही है बिल्कुल। बस केवल इसलिए कि ऐसे रिजल्ट की मैं आपसे आशा उम्मीद करता हूँ। बस मेहनत करो बस, और कुछ नहीं करना है आपको। डू हार्ड वर्क, नथिंग एल्स। यस, कम ऑन कोमल।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kamal Parva, and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 11. And today my topic is money. And money is the most important thing for us, and money is very useful for us. And we all know that we are human beings, and we live in society. There are many types of people, and they do different types of work to earn money. And with the help of money, all people can achieve our goals, and they purchase their basic needs. And we all know that there are many types of basic needs like food, water, clothes, house, etc. But money is one of them, because with the help of money we can purchase our all basic needs. And in the present time, education is also basic need for us, and education is uh, is taken by money. And with the help of education we can achieve our goals. And with the help of education and money we can success in our life. And money is most important thing for us. Without money we can't survive in the present time. And we all know that there are two types of money, black money and white money. Politics in the politics, politicians earn black money with the help of corruption, and it is not good for us and also for our country. But white money is good, very good. And white money is earned by hard work, and
Shabash, very good.
hard work is very important for us. And if we earn money with the help of hard work, we can respect that money, and we should spend that money in right way and good things. So we should do hard work to earn money, and we should earn white money also. We should not earn black money. And white money is very good for our family and our country also. And in the present time, all basic needs earned by money, like electricity and food, water, clothes, plants, etc. And we should respect money. But some people say that in the present time, money is god for us. Money is not god, but money is not then less than god. So we should respect also god and money. And money is very important thing for us. That's it, sir.
Very nice. Shabash. She is the classmate of Priya. She has been. Am I right, Priya?
Yes, sir.
Very good. I feel proud when I see my students giving such performance. Very good. Yes, come on, Aditya. Aditya is also very young boy. Yes, come on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everyone, my name is Aditya. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 18. Today's my topic is money. As you all know that money is very important in our life. Without money, we cannot live any home house, and we make poor. We earn money. If one trick earn money, we study a book and get our business, and we earn money. Without money, we cannot we can. एक सेकंड सर.
क्या हुआ?
Yes, sir. So, yeah, money is not God, because money is very harmful and useful for us. Money give us many things, and we there are many sir, महंगी चीजों के लिए क्या?
Costly things, expensive
There are
things.
there are many costly things. There are very cost. We cannot buy one. Only rich people buy more cost things, and rich people cannot give money poor people. So this is wrong. Give only 10 rupees give poor people, and this is a good habit. So I last say that money is very important for our family. Yes, that's it.
Okay बेटा, शाबाश बेटा. लिखना आज इस टॉपिक के ऊपर, है ना? चेक करेगा
Yes,
बेटा
sir.
तेरा काम. Yes. Next class में. Yes, come on, Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Ramban Online Interactive Classes from 16. And today our topic is money. As we know that we are human beings, and we need some basic needs to live alive, like food, house, oxygen, money, etc. Money is one of them, and it is very important because in this world nothing is free. Some people say that money is God, But I think that money is not God, but it less than God. Because with money you can buy most of things. Like if you want to get good education, you can buy. If you want to get fruits, you can buy. Want to get, if you want to get, if you if you want to buy house and luxuries, cars, you can buy. Money has power to buy anything. But there are also many things which we can't buy with money. Like with money, we can buy, we can get insurance, but not safety. With money, we can buy a good doctor, but not a good health. With money, we can buy a good bed, but not good sleep. And one thing is, or one thing is more we can't buy. That is happiness. Because money is not able to give us real happiness. And it is gotten by to help somebody and somebody. And there are two kind of money. First is black money and second is white money. White money is earned by hard work and honesty, and black money is earned from illegal source. And now present time all want much money, but they want money in from wrong way. But this is not possible because money is earned with hard work and honesty. And many students don't respect money and they don't study. But I want to say those students that if you are given good education, food, so they are very lucky because these things are not given to everyone.
सही है very good.
Because they don't know that how money is earned. Their parents do hard work from morning to evening. So at last, I want to say that we should respect money. Sir, that's it.
Very good, beta. Shabash, beta. Keep it up. Shabash, beta. Yes, now Umesh from
Yes,
B18,
sir.
B19.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I'm a student of Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 19. Today, my topic is money. We are human beings, so we need many things such as house, water, money, etc. Money has very important role in our life. We fulfill our needs with the help of money. We purchased anything in world with the help of money. There are many rich people in world such as Ambani, Bill Gates, etc. But there are many poor people in worlds. They they sleep without eat food.
Eating food.
If you have money, you get good education and good health. We get anything with the help of money. We cannot purchase happiness with money. There are two types of money, white money and black money. Some people get money with hard work, but some people get money very easily, so they cannot respect money. We should respect
बहुत बढ़िया,
money.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा. हाँ,
Last I say, money are very important in our life. That's sir.
वेरी गुड. अभी 3 महीने हुए हैं इसको. B19 and we started B19 on 13th of June. July, August or September. He has completed his 3 months, but nice performance. Keep it बेटा, शाबाश बेटा.
Thank you,
कंटिन्यू
sir.
बेटा. हाँ बेटा, मेहनत करते रहो बेटा, लिखना बंद मत करना बिल्कुल भी. वही जड़ है उसकी बस.
Yes,
चाहे
sir.
चैप हो या नहीं हो, लिखते रहना बस. रोजाना एक टॉपिक पे तो लिखते ही रहना है बस. अब इनको B11 वाले स्टूडेंट्स को कोई जरूरत नहीं है लिखवाने की. अब इनका कोई लेना देना नहीं है, ये ट्रेंड हो चुके हैं फुल्ली. ऐसे ही आप लोग भी हो जाओगे, बट अभी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी बेटा.
Yes,
Now
sir.
I'm calling, yes. Now I'm calling Yamini. नहीं, just a minute. Tanish. Tanish is
Yes,
also
sir.
from B19 and he has completed his 3 months yesterday. So now come on Tanish.
Yes,
He is
sir.
also from
Good evening, all of you.
this boy is from Bandikoi. Just come on Tanish, आजा बेटा.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Tanish. I am a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today, our topic is money. As we know that money is very important for us because without money we can't live this world.
बेटा 1 मिनट रुक जा.
And
Carry on बेटा.
yes, sir. In this world, many ways which we get money. Some people get best education and take best jobs,
Hmm.
but some people have not any job, so they people do many works and get money. They respect money.
Hmm.
By money we purchase anything, just such as car, houses, flat, etc.
Hmm.
Without money, any people have not
No one can have.
respect.
No one can have respect. हाँ बेटा बोल बेटा, कोई बात नहीं.
No one. But in school, many students have money. Many students are rich. So some teachers, mm, some teachers nice talk to their students because their student give toffee, chocolate to sir daily.
Hmm. तो मेरे को भी देते हैं यार. Hmm. Hmm.
And some policemen get extra money, so he
हाँ.
they take money and leave the criminal
Hmm.
from jail. And without money we have not any job because some people give money and get best job
बहुत
easily.
बढ़िया बोल रहा है, सही बोल रहा है. हाँ बेटा.
And as we know that there are many richest people in India, such as Ambani, Ratan Tata. But Ratan Tata is a honest person because he gave many money to poor
Hmm.
every year.
शाबाश.
So I say all the richest people give money to poor people. So in India, many people are rich.
Hmm.
Yes, sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. कोई लिखना है बेटा इस टॉपिक के ऊपर, है ना? मंडे को सुनाना बेटा,
Yes, sir.
घबराए मत. सब बहुत अच्छा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. तो लिखना बेटा इस टॉपिक के ऊपर, है ना? सुनूंगा बेटा मैं. यस कम ऑन यामिनी.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Yashashvi Sahu. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch B18. As we all know that today our topic is money. We all are human beings and we all have some basic needs like water, food, clothes, shelters, etc. These all so important for us. If we want to get it, we have to pay for it. The money is the source by which we can pay for it. Money is a so important thing in our life. In every step and every moment, we want money to survive. Money is not everything, but money is not less than everything. By the using money, we can make our life comfortable. We can get everything which we want, like we can get comfortable circumstances, expensive cars, expensive jewelries, good education, good medical facilities, etc. Money can change our lifestyle. Money can change the level of our respect. Money can do everything. If a person who have who has money, he he is more respected than other.
Very good. Shabash.
Sometimes much money is become the reason of rich people's ego and attitude.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला, शाबाश बेटा.
They think that a person who has not money, he is not everything. He is not anything. He the rich people disrespect poor, which is not good. If we have money more than enough, we should donate it
Very good.
for those people who have not money for their daily needs, by which they can fulfill their daily needs and they can also survive in their life. Money can buy mostly things, but money cannot buy some things like relationships. The money can buy a relationship also, but money cannot buy loyalty.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. बहुत nice speaking. Come on.
In the relationships, like the relationship which basis in the need of money cannot stable, but a relationship which basis in the need of feelings, this relationship is more stable. We can buy a bed by using money, but we cannot buy a good dream. We can buy expensive cars and highly education, but we cannot buy IQ. By the using money, we can buy external things, not inner things like love, feeling, happiness, loyalty, etc. Money provides us respect, but money does not provide us happiness. Sometimes more money becomes the reason of our tension. because if we have more money, we have to take more tension about it, how to save it. A person who have enough money to spend his and her life easily, he can also spend time with his family. He can also spend time with his friends. He can enjoy his life easily, and because of money, he know the hard work also. So money is, so there is two types of money, like First, black money, and second is white money. Black money is earned by black money is earned by the wrong things like robbery, scams, corruption, etc. These are not good, but some people do it for collect money immediately.
Instant
Um,
money.
instant money. Some people who do not do it, they do hard work and get white money.
Very good.
This type of money is good for our honesty, our humanity, and also for our nation. Um, money is everything, but money cannot become God. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Very good. Nice. आज तो वर्क फॉर्म का भी बहुत ध्यान रखा तुमने. She is also a old student, and I am very happy at her performance. Very good, beta. Shabash, beta. Keep up, beta. Yes, Kabir.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I am a student of Rambad English Interactive Classes from batch P18. Today's my topic is money. As we know that there are many fundamental requirements like food, clothes, etc. Money is one of them. Money is the most fundamental requirement for us. By money, we can buy anything. In past, our basic needs is food, clothes, house, etc. But now our basic need is money. Only money. By money we can buy a house. We can survive easily.
Easily.
By the help of money we can graduate.
We can be graduate.
We can be graduate. We can take many coachings. There are many. सर बहुत ज्यादा अमीर लोगों का कहते हैं.
Richest. There are many rich people.
Okay, sir. There are many rich people like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, etc. They have much money, but they don't help poor. Sometimes rich people disrespect of poor.
Off मत लगाओ. हाँ बोलो आगे बोलो बोलते रहो. हाँ.
It is also very good bad habit. It is very bad. By the help of money we can open a shop, a company, etc.
Shabash.
There are many ways to earn money, like we can become a doctor, we can become an engineer, etc. There are two ways of money like white money and black money. White money is earned honestly. White money is earned when we are a honest doctor. Black money is earned when we are a bad person. Like we are a bad doctor and we cannot सर ऑपरेशन ढंग से नहीं करने का ऐसे.
We do not operate the patients properly.
We don't operate patients properly. And we sold their parts in money.
For money.
For money. It is very bad habits.
Very bad habit नहीं होती है. आगे बोलो.
Okay, sir. Uh, at last, I want to say that we should respect money,
Hmm.
and I want to say two lines for Ratan Tata,
Hmm.
because Ratan Tata gives their 60% salary to poor.
Hmm.
So we should also respect Ratan Tata. Yes, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, लिखते रहो बेटा, राइटिंग करते रहना है ना।
Okay,
हाँ,
sir.
अभी राइटिंग रुकनी नहीं चाहिए बेटा। ओके,
Okay, sir.
एक टाइम पे मैं अपने आप ही कह दूंगा, बस अब हो गया। यस, कम ऑन रौनक।
Hello everyone, my name is Ronak. I read in Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 18. Today's my topic is money. As we all know that we all are human beings and we all want a major things just like house, education, food, etc. We do hard work and we get money. We can't live without money. Food is very important for human because we can't live without food, and we get when we get food with money.
Hmm.
There are two types of there are many sources of earning money. Just like take our private business, we work in government and private companies,
Hmm.
and we have money.
Hmm.
And it is very important.
Hmm.
There are two types of money. First is white money, and second is black money. White money is we do hard work and we have white money. Black money is not good for us.
Hmm. गैदर योर
यार
थॉट्स। फोकस कम रहता है, फोकस की यही सारी इश्यू है।
फिर से बोल दो, किसका कॉल आ गया था?
तो यही तो बोल, फटाफट बोल जो बोलना तेरे को।
Money is very important for us. Black money is not good for us because black money is instant money. Uh, um, uh, Education is very important for us. When we give money to school and we have educate, and without money we are not get education. Uh, we, and House is very important because house is very safest place in the world. In COVID-19, all people want house, but many people don't have full house and they sleep in footpath. Many people are rich and they hurt poor peoples, and they hurt poor people. Money is very important for us. That's it, sir.
बेटा इम्प्रूव करो अपने आप को। सेटिस्फैक्ट्री पोजीशन नहीं है तुम्हारी अभी, है ना। फोकस करना सीखो चीजों पे। अपने सुना करो आप रिकॉर्डिंग, है ना। हाँ, फोकस करो, थोड़ा सा सुना करो सबको कैसे बोल रहे हैं। ओके, यस अनुष्का फ्रॉम B19। यस, कम ऑन अनुष्का।
Hello everyone, my name is Anushka and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 19. Today's our topic is money. As we all know that there are some basic needs to live, and we are human beings, so we have some basic needs like water, food, shelter, and without these things we cannot live. But in present time these things are also buy with the money. If we have money then we can buy everything, and we can also fulfill our passion or our fulfillments. As we all know, in my opinion, if we buy money in a with our hard work, then then it can satisfy it can satisfy us. But without hard work it cannot satisfies us, because like in ancient time the education is given was given to us that we can do good things for others, and do good for all others, and they the teachers and the gurus all only teach us about the good things. They we don't have to give them money for that education. We didn't have to give money
शाबाश, हाँ, कोई बात नहीं,
for
हाँ हाँ हो जाएगा, सब ठीक हो जाएगा बेटा, ये तो हाँ बस कोशिश करो।
but now uh, ed- but now we are buying the education by the money. uh, now the teachers did not now the teachers do not teach us by their सर अंदर की भावना को क्या बोलते हैं?
Inner feelings,
By their inner feelings, but they are only teaching us for their to complete their passion, and they are destroying the future of the children. And in and money is the only thing that force the person to do crimes. By the money the crimes are also increasing day by day.
शाबाश,
Um, the poors are doing the crimes more, because the poors also have the stomach, they have to eat. They are also persons, so are they also hungry, and they are thirsty. They don't have money to buy the food and the shelter, so the money forces them to do crimes, and because of this the crime are increasing day by days. The only people can understand the importance of money who don't have the
very
money.
good, very good, शाबाश, हाँ,
Other people only buy money for their passion and do wrong things by them. More money is also more money uh, is also destroy our life, because by more money we can buy anything, and it also addict us to uh, addict us to the useless things like alcohol,
शाबाश बेटा,
drunk, and
हाँ,
we start buying those things, and the people think that these are cool things. Money can be buy in many ways, like we can also buy money by the hard work, and if we don't want to do hard work and buy more money in few days, then people do crimes, like they hack the bank accounts and get all the money from the banks. But they only think about themselves. They don't think about the person who earn the money by his hard work. And money is not the thing that can buy all the things, because money cannot buy emotion, feelings, and any other things. That if think that we buy the thing from the money like relation, but this relation does not have any mean. They in this relation uh, we don't have any type of loyalty and caring. The person that we bought these things is the only double faced person, and this person can also harm us for our money. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, लिखते रहना बेटा, है ना, हाँ लिखना बंद नहीं करना बेटा, ओके बेटा, शाबाश बेटा। Just now I am calling Geeta from B18. Yes, Geeta.
Hello everyone, my name is Geeta. Today my topic is money.
Money is the basic requirement of our life.
Hmm.
Without it, we cannot imagine our life.
Hmm.
Every person need money to fulfill our
His
little
need.
requirements
Hmm. Hmm.
like food, home, clothes, etc.
Hmm.
Money is not everything, but we cannot avoid this importance.
Hmm.
Money make powerful to us.
Hmm.
We use money in purchase many things. Nobody can fulfill the basic need without it.
Hmm.
Money is that thing by which we can live our life
Very good.
healthy and comfortable.
Yeah, शाबाश बेटा बोल.
Some people earn money in wrong way,
Hmm.
like through the corruption,
Hmm.
breaking,
Hmm.
snatching, chains, jewelries, etc.
Hmm.
But some people do hard work for money
Hmm.
because they know importance of money.
Hmm.
And by money fit to our whole world. Money makes a powerful person like Elon Musk, Mukesh Ambani, etc.
Hmm.
Most people think their life depends on money.
Hmm.
Some people do hard work 24 hours
Hmm.
to earn money.
हाँ बेटा.
We get all types. We get all type. We get all type facilities by money.
Hmm.
Pe- People people do everything for money. It is important. We should not waste money.
Hmm.
Government provide us to the facility of banks to save our money.
थोड़ी सी आवाज गड़बड़ हो रही है बेटा. कनेक्टिविटी का इशू हो रहा है बेटा कुछ ये.
Some people who not able to earn money. आ रही है सर आवाज?
आ रही है. थोड़ी डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है बेटा. आज तेरी कनेक्टिविटी सही नहीं है आज. कोई बात नहीं, बोल तू.
Some poor people not live their life healthy because of not have money. That man is powerful in the world who has money. Mostly people do jobs for money. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया है. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. राइटिंग कर रहे हो ना?
Yes, sir.
कंटिन्यू रखना बेटा. राइटिंग भूल मत करना बेटा अभी, है ना? नाउ
Yes,
प्रिया.
sir.
यस प्रिया.
Yes. Good evening, everyone. My name is Priya Meena. I'm the student of Ramban Basic Online Interactive Classes from batch 18. Sorry, batch 20. as we all know very well, that today's our topic is money. So, money is a very important thing in our life. In this whole world, a human can't survive without money, and we need money in every work of our life. Uh, we need money for shelter, clothes, and food, and money is very necessary in this generation. A person do a lot of thing for earn money, and he or she do hard work to get it, get money.
हाँ ठीक है, इट भी सही था, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बोल।
And they do jobs, and some people who are uneducated, they do more hard work in factories and on their at their workplaces.
शाबाश शाबाश, हाँ।
We can see we can't take education without money, and we can't be success without it. And if we will not earn money, we can't get respect and name and fame also.
शाबाश।
And we can see its example in our society that most of the male category is respected in families, and we can't buy anything without money. If we have money, we can buy a shelter to live our livelihood,
बढ़िया, शाबाश बेटा, हाँ।
and we purchase food with the help of it. We can travel if we have money, and we should earn money with honesty, because some people escapes to earn money with honesty and hard work. Escapes to earn money with honesty and hard work. So they steal money from the people and do crime also.
Commit crime, बोलो आगे बोलो, कोई बात नहीं।
Yes. We can see that the tradition of money is coming from the age of sir प्राचीन समय से
Ancient, old time कह दो आप तो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, from old time।
old from the age of old time.
हाँ, from old time कर दो, age की जरूरत नहीं है, from
Yes,
old
sir.
time, हाँ।
They also do many transactions with each other. Sorry, money transaction.
हाँ, वो भी उसी के लिए माना जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो।
In the last, I want to say that money is not everything, because we can't buy happiness from money, and it's come from our good behavior and nature with people. And we can see that money has divided us in many categories like first class, middle class, and third class.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया।
So we should not divide the people according to the money. That's it.
Very good. That is why, Priya, I always say that you cannot be exempted. You consider yourself the students of B20, but I don't. Keep it up, beta. Shabash. Proud of you. Yes, Devansh. Devansh from B20. Shabash, beta. Very
Good
good.
evening.
Aaja, beta.
Hello everyone. My name is Devans Meena. Money is really an important role play our life. Money is a needed to lead a better life.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बोल बेटा बोल, शाबाश शाबाश।
Money is very important in our world. Money is a medium of exchange without
घबरा मत बिल्कुल भी, जो तेरे को आ रहा है वैसे बोल, हो जाएगा, वो मैं कर दूंगा सब तेरे को, ठीक, चिंता मत कर,
Money-
बोल। हाँ।
Money cannot survive our life. Money can be cash, which is usually a note or coin. Our parents work hard to fulfill our dreams. Money is a powerful tool that can solve many problems.
बहुत बढ़िया, हाँ।
Money cannot buy happiness. Sir, that's it.
अरे वाह यार, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है तेरा। शाबाश बेटा, कीप इट अप। बस अब बोलने लग गया, अब कौन रोकेगा तेरे को? है, बस मेहनत करता रहे बेटा, लिखना बंद मत करना, बस प्रैक्टिस करते रहना, सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस, है ना बेटा? हाँ, यस, कम
Yes.
ऑन लक्ष्मी गुजर।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today, I want to give about money. Money is not everything, but money is a lot. There are many sources to earn money. नहीं,
हाँ
there
सही
are
है,
many.
सही बोला ना, गलत क्या है उसमें? तो बोल आगे, नहीं नहीं क्या तो बोल आगे बढ़, इतना क्या, डरे मत कर बिल्कुल भी।
We can do for our survive. We do hard work. We can buy clothes, house, education, but we cannot buy education. We can do hard work. We will have to do hard work. Then we can achieve our goal.
शाबाश।
Without hard work, we cannot get our goal. There are many people live in India, but most of the people do hard work, and most of the people do bad work, bad habits. They poor people do hard work. The rich people do not hard work because they get money. They get money bad things, do bad things. There are two types of earn money. First is black money and second white money. White money is very important because if we do hard work, we can purchase new house, many things, but some people do hard work, so they can purchase many things. And I said that black money, politics man do not hard work. They always earn money bad habits.
By bad things, हाँ।
Bad things. We if we do not hard work, we do not hard work, we cannot hard work, we we can go any other place with money. We can buy car many things, but we cannot education. We cannot buy feeling love with money, by money. We do not many richest men do not respect low caste people, but the low caste people respect the rich man. The low caste people know that how money earn, but the richest man do not know that money how money earn. The richest man son always waste money. They always bad things. They do not hard work. They always do not hard work. They knew that they have much money, so they always waste money. But the poor man knew that how earn money, so the poor man sons and daughter always do hard work.
कनेक्टिविटी खत्म हो गई. ओके चलो कोई बात नहीं, इसकी कनेक्टिविटी डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई है. यस नाउ गौरव.
Okay, sir. My topic is money. Money is everything in this world. We can't do anything with money. Without money. But if we have money, we can do anything. But there are but people do discrimination in poor or rich, because they do not give respect to poor ones who have not money. But if the poor man do good things, he can't get respect without money. But if a rich man do bad thing, he will get respect. This is the discrimination of poor people. But money can be used in right ways or wrong ways. There are two types of money. White money. White money, we can earn white money from doing hard work and good work. But black money is earned by doing bad things. and we should also donate some money in organizations. The right ways to use money is to donate in organizations, give to donate in orphanages and etc. But the son of rich people waste money on bad things, and but a son or daughter of a poor man knows that hard work is the most important thing to earn money. And some people do many hard work for days, like laborers, masons. They work day and night on construction site but earn very little money. So we have to stop this discrimination. Thank you, sir.
अरे वेरी नाइस, शाबाश बेटा, नाइस एफर्ट्स बेटा, कीप इट अप, शाबाश, अच्छा बच्चा है, बहुत अच्छा बच्चा है, वेरी गुड बेटा. एंड यस, नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग एंड आई थिंक मधु फ्रॉम B20. वेरी गुड मधु, शाबाश बेटा, आजा.
Yes, sir.
आजा बेटा.
Hello, everyone. My name is Madhumina. Today's my topic is money. In present time, money is very important for everyone. Everybody needs money. By money, we can buy clothes, things, medicine, food, etc.
शाबाश बेटा.
When we have money, so we can help poor.
शाबाश शाबाश, हाँ बेटा.
The money helps us to get education. If we have money, we can do travel.
वेरी गुड.
The money is sources of our livelihood. Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया भाई, ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो बस. सही और गलत कुछ नहीं होता है, बस कोशिश करते करते ही सब चीजें हो जाती हैं बेटा, बस ये ध्यान रख लेना. बस बहुत अच्छा लगा बेटा मुझे, आप लोग एफर्ट्स करो, बस अपॉर्चुनिटी है, बोलो. आज थोड़ा बोलोगे, कल ज्यादा बोलोगे. शाबाश बेटा. अंजलि.
Good evening, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali. Today, my topic is power of money. Money is really an important role play in our life.
हाँ बेटा, हाँ शाबाश.
But we need to accept money is not everything.
हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया.
Thought money has the power you can enjoy and efforts every material luxury of life. Thank you, sir.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बस ऐसे एफर्ट करते रहो तुम, बस 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 बस. अब और तो बस हो गया फिर काम, ये मान लो. यस, कम ऑन. अरे वेरी गुड. रिया, हाउ आर यू? रोजाना रोजाना तबीयत खराब कर लेती है. आ जा, बोल.
Good evening and good evening everyone. Today I am telling about money. Money is very important in our life. Without money and without money we cannot live. We cannot live. Money is very most things about human life. So money is basic need of our life. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. आज 2 लाइन बोली है तो कल बेटा 4 बोलेगी, फिर 6 बोलेगी, फिर 8 बोलेगी. चिंता ना कर बेटा बिल्कुल भी. वो कहाँ गई छोटी वाली?
इसके सर आ गई ट्यूशन वाले, तो वो चली गई.
सर कैसे आ गए? ये तो उनका ट्यूशन का टाइम, तो हमारी क्लास का टाइम होता है. सर कैसे आ सकते हैं? अच्छा, 7:45 बजे आ जाते होंगे. ओके, थोड़ा सा ओवर हो गया. यस, एनीवन एल्स? और कोई किसी भी बैच में से? बाकी तो सब हो गए. B20 में से कोई? इफ एनीवन वांट्स टू स्पीक ऑन एनी टॉपिक? ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. थैंक यू वेरी मच.